Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson today. I am Mr. Only. I am very happy to see you here. Learning English is a journey. It takes time and practice. Today, we are going to learn how to buy clothes. This is a very important topic. Everyone needs to buy clothes. We will learn how to ask for sizes. We will learn how to ask for the fitting room. We will learn how to talk to a shop assistant. Please listen carefully. We will speak slowly and clearly. I want you to feel confident when you go to a store. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Sarah and I will show you exactly what to say. We will repeat many words so you can remember them. Let us start our lesson now.
Hello, I am Sarah. I am going to help Mr. Only today. We are at a big clothing store. Imagine many colorful shirts and pants. The store is bright and clean. There are many mirrors. I am playing the role of a customer. Mr. Only is playing the role of a shop assistant. Later, we will switch roles. We want to show you how a real conversation sounds. We use simple words. We use common phrases. You can use these sentences today or tomorrow. Buying clothes should be fun. It should not be stressful. Listen to the way we say the words. Pay attention to how we ask questions. We are ready to begin the practice.
Good morning. Welcome to our store. How are you today, Sarah?
I am very well, thank you, Mr. Only. How are you?
I am great, Sarah. Is there anything I can help you find today?
Yes, Mr. Only. I am looking for a new sweater. It is getting cold outside.
That is a good idea, Sarah. We have many beautiful sweaters. What color do you like?
I really like blue, Mr. Only. Do you have any blue sweaters?
Yes, Sarah. We have light blue and dark blue. Follow me to this section. Here they are.
Oh, these are very nice, Mr. Only. I like this light blue one. What material is this?
This is 100% cotton, Sarah. It is very soft and very warm.
That sounds perfect, Mr. Only, but I do not see my size here.
What size do you need, Sarah? Do you need a small or a medium?
I think I need a medium, Mr. Only. This one on the shelf is a small.
Let me check the back for you, Sarah. Please wait one moment.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will wait here near the blue sweaters.
I am back, Sarah. I found a medium in light blue. Here it is.
Thank you so much, Mr. Only. Can I try this on?
Of course, Sarah. The fitting rooms are right over there in the corner.
I see them, Mr. Only. Is it okay if I take 2 sizes just in case?
Yes, Sarah, that is a smart idea. Do you want the large size too?
Yes, please, Mr. Only. I want to see which one fits better. Sometimes mediums are too tight.
Here is the large sweater, Sarah. Now you have the medium and the large.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will be back in a few minutes.
Take your time, Sarah. Let me know if you need a different color.
Mr. Only, can you hear me? I am in the fitting room.
Yes, Sarah, I can hear you. Is the medium sweater okay?
No, Mr. Only. The medium is a little bit too small in the arms.
I understand, Sarah. How is the large sweater?
I am putting the large one on now, Mr. Only. Just a second.
No problem, Sarah. Take your time.
Okay, Mr. Only, I am coming out now. Look at this one.
That looks very good on you, Sarah. The large size is perfect.
Do you think the sleeves are too long, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. I think the sleeves are the right length. It looks very comfortable.
It is very comfortable, Mr. Only. How much does this sweater cost?
Let me check the price tag, Sarah. It is $40.
$40 is a good price, Mr. Only. Is it on sale?
Yes, Sarah, it is 20% off today. The original price was $50.
That is a great deal, Mr. Only. I will take the light blue sweater in large.
Wonderful, Sarah. Would you like to look at some pants to match the sweater?
Maybe, Mr. Only. Do you have black jeans?
Yes, Sarah, we have many black jeans. What is your waist size?
I am a size 28, Mr. Only. Do you have that size?
We have size 28 right here, Sarah. These are slim fit.
I prefer straight fit, Mr. Only. Do you have straight fit black jeans?
Yes, Sarah. Here is the straight fit in size 28.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will try these on very quickly.
Go ahead, Sarah. I will wait here.
Mr. Only, these jeans are perfect. I love the fit.
I am happy to hear that, Sarah. Do you want to buy the jeans and the sweater?
Yes, Mr. Only. I will buy both of them today.
Great. Please follow me to the cash register, Sarah.
Here I am, Mr. Only. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, Sarah. We accept credit cards and cash.
I will pay with my credit card, Mr. Only.
Please insert your card here, Sarah. Thank you.
Should I sign the receipt, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah. Just enter your PIN number.
Okay, Mr. Only, it is finished.
Here is your receipt and your bag, Sarah. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You were very helpful. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah. See you again soon.
Now I will explain some of the words we used. Mr. Only and I used the word fitting room. A fitting room is the small room where you try on clothes. You can also call it a changing room. Mr. Only asked for my size. Common sizes are small, medium, large, and extra large. Sometimes we use numbers like size 8 or size 10. When I said the sweater was too tight, it means it was too small for my body. If something is too loose, it means it is too big. Let us try another short conversation. Mr. Only, can you help me again?
Yes, Sarah. What do you need?
Mr. Only, I am looking for a dress for a party.
We have many dresses, Sarah. Do you want a long dress or a short dress?
I want a long dress, Mr. Only. Maybe a red one.
Here is a beautiful red dress, Sarah. It is a size small.
That looks very small, Mr. Only. Do you have this in a large?
I'm sorry, Sarah. We only have small and medium in red.
Oh, that is too bad, Mr. Only. Do you have the large in a different color?
Yes, Sarah. We have the large in green and in black.
I like green, Mr. Only. Can I see the green one?
Here is the green dress in size large, Sarah. It is very elegant.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Where can I try this on?
The fitting rooms are behind you, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will try it on now.
See how easy that was? We used the same questions. We asked for the size, we asked for the color, we asked for the fitting room. Let us try one more. Sarah, pretend you are the shop assistant this time.
Okay, Mr. Only. Hello, sir. Can I help you find something?
Yes, Sarah. I am looking for a white shirt.
What kind of white shirt, Mr. Only? A t-shirt or a dress shirt?
I need a dress shirt for work, Sarah.
We have these white dress shirts here, Mr. Only. What is your neck size?
I think my neck size is 15, Sarah.
Here is a size 15, Mr. Only. It is a slim fit shirt.
I do not like slim fit, Sarah. Do you have a regular fit?
Yes, Mr. Only. This one is a regular fit.
Thank you, Sarah. How much is this shirt?
It is $25, Mr. Only.
That is a very good price, Sarah. I will buy 2 shirts.
Excellent, Mr. Only. I will take them to the counter for you.
Thank you, Sarah. You are a very good shop assistant.
Thank you, Mr. Only. It is easy when we use simple sentences. Remember to always ask for the price. You can say, "How much is this?" or "What is the price?" If you need a different size, ask, "Do you have this in a larger size?" or "Do you have this in a smaller size?" These phrases are very helpful.
We are at the end of our lesson. You did a very good job listening today. Remember, the best way to learn is to repeat.
Yes, Mr. Only. You can listen to this many times. Each time you will understand more.
Don't be afraid to go into a store and practice, Sarah. People are usually very kind and want to help.
I agree, Mr. Only. Practice makes us more comfortable. Using names like Mr. Only and Sarah makes the conversation feel real.
You have the tools now, Sarah. You know how to ask for sizes, colors, and prices.
We are very proud of your hard work. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you feel better about speaking English now.
Goodbye for now and see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy shopping.